There's nothing in here. Come on.
What's up, hot form?
Shit. Oh, my clothes because it's ugly.
Yeah, you think my phone?
It's for Phoebe.
Oh! That's for Phoebe. Hey, Paula. Hey, Phoebe.
Hello, Michelle.
Fucking victim, bitch. You were smart. My nigga Caesar too good for you. Send that to him. Send that to Phoebe and Paula.
Nah, not Paula, because we might get back together.
Somebody's pussy.
That's it. Ivana and Alex pussy's better than all of yours.
Well, I know Alex to get it in, yo. Like, the shit she be doing, like that I wouldn't know what to do with a shirt like that if I was in the crib alone with her. Because this shit is just crazy. I'll go crazy, but I wouldn't stop. That's it.
Yo.
Excuse me, please.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, yo. Alright, that's it. Thank you. You nasty.
I really know that wasn't real.
So bad. Look at her. Stop.
Who said that?
Greg, you just missed me.
What happened? Alright, stop it every time you do something.
Let's do it again.
Alright, no.